I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to activate floating chat heads for a specific conversation in Facebook Messenger on your Android device. Step 1. Open the specific Facebook Messenger chat you want to turn on chat heads for, and then tap the name of that conversation on this screen. An information screen for this specific discussion opens. Step 2. Scroll down this menu to the More Actions section and then tap Notifications and Sounds. Step 3. Make sure notifications are toggled on and then tap Customize Notifications in this menu. The next screen lets you customize the notifications for this specific Facebook Messenger chat. Step 4. Tap to toggle on Bubble This Conversation. You'll see floating chat heads associated with this specific conversation on top of other apps on your Android device going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.